Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add a 3D model to your device. So here we have this device on a PCB in ORCAD, and it's missing its 3D model, its symbol. What I can do here is double click on it, and I have my model mapper open. To find that, just go to View Model Mapper in ORCAD 24.1. The model mapper, go to Footprint. Here, then I have this 3 ellipses that lets me pick a step model if I want. And I have my step models available, but it looks like I don't have exactly what I'm looking for. So if I go to Browse Files, when I go into this folder for my step models, I don't see any here. That means I need to go download it from somewhere. So I like to use Ultra Librarian for this. Pretty solid. Let's go ahead and download 3D CAD model. We'll go with step. If you're not familiar with the benefits of 3D models, check out the video where I explain how to do the benefits of 3D models. I'm logged in, so I'll download the 3D CAD model now. Okay, so the file got downloaded and I'm opening it on my other screen. Let me move it to the folder where I want to place it. Okay, so here I would extract the file contents by right-clicking. I use 7-zip to extract files, but you could also manually extract using right-click, extract all, then choose the folder you want to extract it to. Here I have the step model available. I'm going to right-click and cut this and put it inside my folder where my files are. So let's go into my courses. I have my folder structure where I keep all my course files and the step. There we go. So we paste that in that folder, that step file. Now we'll go back into ORCAD PCB Editor. It sees the step file. Click Open. Right, so luckily the step file has been placed pretty much exactly where it needs to be. If I were to click on this, then I can adjust the step file by clicking Auto, Manual, Top, Bottom, X, Y, Z, so on and so forth. By the way, if you want more information on how to design, like if you want to design this board from scratch, check out my course. Let me show you. So yeah, check out my course. This is the Hardware Engineer Accelerator, where you go through different things like manufacturing, electromagnetism, books, projects you work on, high-speed digital design, like in full detail for your advanced high-speed digital design. If you want to do this board, this is project 4 in a sea of projects. This is an intensive course or program, so don't take it lightly. But if you were to enroll, you could design your first high-speed board, this one right here, in 24 hours. This is a 10 gigabits per second board right here, using differential pairs, signal integrity analysis, avoiding reflections or minimizing signal reflections by routing it properly, understanding how this is done for USB 3.2. This is a USB A to C converter, right? So you can make this board real fast in 24 hours.